How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Sanam.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
What do you do?
I am teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How do you live with?
I live alone.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you play any music?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading novels.
Do you like sport?
Yes, I love football.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading and traveling.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in Kabul.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What is dream job?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite book?
I love Harry Potter books.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer cats.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love the sound of rain.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, learning English is fun.
What is your favorite drink?
I love apple juice.
What is your favorite animal?
I love panda.
Do you prefer movies or TV series?
I prefer TV series.
What is your full name?
My full name is Sanam Sharifi.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, people call me Sanam.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth.
What do you do at night? I relax, read a book, and go to sleep. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
How do you spend your free time?
I watch movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea more.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later.